Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make delectable, appealing, flavorful and palatable food. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this easy and healthy chicken salad. If you're interested in this video, please keep watching, and if this is your first time coming across this video, you are welcome here. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. For my new subscribers, thank you. For my old subscribers, I say thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'll be doing is to add some olive oil into my clean pan, and then I'll swirl this around. Next, I will be adding my seasoned chicken. I will be using chicken breast for this recipe. I went ahead to season this with salt, garlic and ginger paste, curry, and I added a little olive oil. You can season this with any seasoning of your choice, and thereafter I will stir fry this for 2 to 5 minutes. After I season it, I just put it inside the fridge for 24 hours. If you season yours, you can go straight to cook it. I marinated it for 24 hours, and thereafter I will take this out of the gas cooker. And now I will go ahead to cut this into a smaller bite. You can leave yours like that, and thereafter I will set this aside. Now I will go ahead to cut my lemon into two and juice it because I will be using the lemon juice. You can omit this or you can skip this. This is optional. I will go ahead to sift this just to remove any seed, and then I will set aside. Moving to the next thing, I will go ahead to take some 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and add into my clean plate, and I will show you the next thing to do. Now I will add my lemon juice into the mayonnaise, and then I will add this chili spicy cooked pepper which I did myself. I'll be using 2 teaspoons. This is optional. And then I will add olive oil and then mix everything together. Concerning the lemon juice is also optional. And if you have watched up to this moment and you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click the like button. You can also leave your comment and share. Thank you. Now that the salad dressing is ready, I will set this aside. I will be using this salad for today. This salad is combined of lettuce, carrot, and what have you. Now I will be assembling everything together. First, I will take a clean bowl and add my salad into it. Then I will be adding the chopped cooked chicken, and thereafter I will add my sweet corn, and then I will also go ahead to add my chopped tomatoes, and I will also be adding onions. Yes, some people don't like onions. I'm using white onions. You can omit this if you are the type that don't like onions. And now I'll be adding the salad dressing, and then I will give everything a thorough mix. Guys, this salad was so yummy and so delicious. The part I like most was when I added that chili spicy into it. Oh my god, it took the salad to another level. Guys, I paired this up with bread. Yes, if you haven't tried eating salad with bread, please try it out. It was so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave your good comments. See you in my next video. Bye.